Use the rule of BODMAS. B. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. 4 times 3, 12. Equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 is the correct answer.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। Write your correct answer in comment. Press the subscribe button. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.